What's up, guys? We're out here in Detroit running Detroit drone, doing some drone racing, and this time we're bringing something a little bit special. We're bringing you the Regional Qualifier course. For most of us here, this is our first time ever running that course. I was lucky enough to set up a practice pool noodle course earlier this week, so I got some laps in, but hoping for a good showing. The ultimate goal, the ultimate prize to me on this track is pulling out 7 laps. So that's the challenge for me today, is can I get 7 laps? Let's find out. Let's see who else can join me in those 7 laps.
Go for 8!
Go for 8.
Line nose 43.4.
All right, we got practice up and running. This is currently round 1. We're planning to run 2 rounds of practice before qualifying. We're planning to run qualifying the same way that we run the regional qualifiers, which is your top 3 of 5 rounds, combination of your laps plus your time. So 2 pilots get the same number of laps. We'll take their race times, and whoever finishes sooner, they'll move on as the higher position. As long as the rain holds off, we're planning on running some mains. The only difference is we're going to be running AAA mains today. So hopefully do well. Hopefully we get some good times. Maybe we get some 7s in there, and hopefully have a lot of fun in the mains. Today should be a whole lot of fun. Alright guys, first round of practice in the books. I don't know why, every time I go into a real race I got the shakes. I don't know why. Gotta turn those off. But anyway, 6.
He did fine.
Yeah, 6 laps, 2:05. I was taking it pretty easy for the first half, so I feel really confident about getting those 7 laps in. Managed to pull a 17.5 on the last lap. I didn't feel like I was even going my top speed, so feeling really good out there. Should be able to hit that 7. I'm gonna keep pushing for it, baby. Hold on there. What the hell do you have in your hands?
It's a start box, launch box.
Looks like some high quality materials you got there.
Oh heck yeah, all the best. All the best manufacturers, R-Line.
Oh yeah, they do nothing but
get FPV.
Buddy RC, there you go, repping.
Multi-rotor.
In the stillness somewhere above, the city lights, you're falling in love. Still aware, you know it is true, that you are lost and this is a clue. Love is forever, love is forever. To believe you gotta let go. Light as a feather, light as a feather. Lucid dreaming over Tokyo. Love is forever, love is forever. Still in your ears, you're on your way to conquer your fears. In this dream
Yes, guys, mission accomplished. 7 laps, 2:19. Took first place in that heat. I'm actually running my backup quad. In my first round, I slipped a magnet on my 2207 Hyperlights. Real bummer. That's my favorite quad to be flying. But anyway, I'm running the 2405 1722 kV motors on my backup quad, and they're still putting on a good fight. Pulling lots of 18-second laps. Felt really good in the second half. Hopefully I can just keep improving on the last ones. Pull off 3.7s even. Just feels so good. Good to finally run the real track. I know we're missing 2 flags, but I'm not concerned about that at all. Just, oh, it feels so good.
Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty up from the minute that I met you. Trying to get your attention, you make me nervous. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty up from the minute that I met you. Met the other night, but I can't get you off my mind. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty up from the minute that I met you.
After 45 seconds,
Alright guys, 2 rounds of 7. See if I can pull off that third one. Having a blast today. I know I can clean up my lines. Things don't feel quite right to me. I'm stuttering a little bit going through the Cyclone. I'm stuttering a little bit doing the Split S. The rest of the track feels pretty decent, but I know I can get another second, maybe even 2 off those times. So, feeling alright. I think I hit a 7, 218, 219 the one before, maybe even a 215. Just hoping to get another 7. 21 laps would be amazing for me. My first time running the actual track. Having a great time. That's really what matters here in Detroit. Always having a good time.
About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Be free.
Thomas 17-1.
3 times 7, 21 laps. I hit my goal for the day. Qualified first place with 21 laps. Feels amazing to get my goals done. Just, you know, you set out, you want that, you get it, and you get it done. So, man, what a good day. Anyway, we're going to be running some mains once we finish up this round here.
Followed by Nick the Destroyer in 3rd place.
Anyways, we're going to be running some mains once we finish up this round right here. We're going everybody into the mains, ABC mains, and we're doing AAA mains. So, first 4, I think, automatically go into the finals, and the rest will have to qualify up. 1 pilot getting bumped up to each round.
50.2.
Waiting for one of us to go down.
Does it have any marks on it?
I'm trying to see, but I think it was just a bent prop.
Oh. Wow, dude, that's crazy. I missed it. I was walking over there with fucking trying to pick it up.
What? Yeah.
Oh my god.
I'm surprised he couldn't. Good thing you got a big battery.
Did he get it off the ground?
Just he lifted it, but it didn't.
Yeah, he was just kind of flipping it.
I was like, why are they running out there?
We just had a Hawk try to steal one of our quads. Apparently our batteries are too heavy. Hawk failed. Quad survived. All right, we just finished up the AAA mains. It was kind of a disaster of mains, mostly for me. I was doing real well in the first AAA main. I was in first place through 2 laps. Got midair with Terry Beast mode. My quad caught fire. All right, so we have a rule where if a quad catches fire, we stop the race and rerun it. So we reran that same one midair, pretty much off the start, kill another quad. Anyway, we're down, we have to run. Finally, we ran 3 smooth ones. I crashed again on the first round. That quad was out, but I did manage to pull off 2nd place in the last 2 rounds. Actually, 1st place in the last round, 2nd place in the 2nd round, and that gave me 2nd place in the event. So 2nd place, got Jeffy here in 3rd place, and then Terry Beast mode yet again, pulling 1st place. What's up there, Nick?
What's up?
Have you run the regional qualifier before, Nick?
No.
What'd you think of the regional qualifier course?
Fast.
It's fun. You like it though?
Oh yeah, it's fun. Of course, anything's fun as long as you're flying.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
Never learned it. I haven't found my line yet. I know that much.
You haven't found your line yet?
I
That's
haven't
what
found
you
my
mean?
line yet. It's the middle section, the
right all day.
around up and over split S deal.
Oh, that corkscrew's getting you?
Yeah, I cut it too tight to get to the first gate.
3 seconds.
You gotta cut it tighter.
Yeah, tighter, yeah. Well, I'll just do a circle around that last flag before that thing. Yeah,
Yep,
sure.
there you go.
Like this. Like when I bam under. So you never let it out of your sight. You're just kind of looking at it the whole time. You know.
Oh, you're talking about corkscrews?
Yeah.
What do you think of the course, Keegan?
It's good flying. I had a lot of fun today.
It's good.
I like it.
What do you think, Cyberdrone? You like this course?
Yes, I do.
Yes, good job.
Yeah, that's one course.